Hi friends, my name is Pranav and you are watching my YouTube channel Unboxing Tech. Today I have a mobile with me Aqua J1 from Aqua Mobile Phone Company. The price quoted on the box is 1099 rupees, but you get this phone around 699 rupees on Amazon and as well as Flipkart. The phone is available on three colors: black, white and gold. The main features mentioned on the box are: it supports a dual SIM, 1200 mAh big battery. Yes, it has a 1200 mAh battery, 1.8-inch display, multimedia, wireless FM with recording, internet. You can use internet on this mobile, multi-language support, auto call record, speed dial, anti-theft and MP3 ringtone with vibration. Vibration mode is available on this mobile phone. Let's quickly unbox the mobile. On the top we get the Aqua J1 itself on gold color. Standard USB charger, mobile battery, quick user manual and startup guide. There is no earphone is available on this box. The charger is Android type. It has a 1.3 MB digital camera with the LED flash, Aqua branding on the back, Aqua branding on the front, and the J1 branding. Let's quickly put battery on this mobile. It has a 1200 mAh battery. SIM 1 goes here, SIM 2 goes here, memory card goes here. This is the user interface of the mobile. We get phone book, call logs, messages, Aqua Zone, settings, organizer, profiles, Aqua Fun Club, games, multimedia, services, and file manager. My opinion, for 699 it is a great deal. You can use this mobile as your secondary phone because it has a big battery of 1200 mAh. Thanks for watching my video.